Hello, good day everyone, and you're welcome to Victoria's Queen channel. Yeah, the other time I showed you guys how to make popcorn using your pot, and some people have been saying, okay, can you please teach us how to package this popcorn? So that's why I decided to do this. So you can see the beautiful one that I did. Okay, so with this now you can actually package this and sell it in anywhere. All right, so that is it. I decided to make this video for us. Okay, yeah, you can just buy any packaging, nylon, if you have a stapler, or if it is okay for you to use and package, you can just do that. Okay, yeah, that's me enjoying what I'm doing. Okay, and then dancing and playing. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Yeah, all right, enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Okay, all right, I love you guys. Enjoy it.